This presentation focuses on the symmetry analysis of a ortho-bi-substituted biphenyl molecule. I will demonstrate the three-dimensional model and determine its point group using symmetry elements. Biphenyl consists of two benzene rings connected by a single carbon-carbon bond. This bond allows rotation between the two rings. When substituents are present at ortho positions, steric hindrance forces the rings to twist, making the molecule non-planar. In this molecule, nitro and carboxylic acid groups are present at the ortho positions on both rings in the same pattern. To find the point groups, we check for symmetry elements including rotational axis, mirror planes, and inversion centers. Tilting the molecule to 45 degree and then by 180 degree about the central bond via diagonal axis, the structure remains identical. This confirms the presence of C2 axis. If a mirror plane existed, both sides of the molecule would be identical. However, they do not match. Therefore, no mirror plane is present. Similarly, if vertical mirror plane existed, substituents would reflected onto identical groups. This does not occur, so no vertical plane is present. For an inversion center, each atom must map onto the identical atom across the center. This condition is not satisfied as original molecule does not return. Since the molecule has no mirror plane and no inversion center but possesses a single C2 axis, it belongs to C2 point group. In conclusion, this substituted biphenyl belongs to C2 point group and demonstrate how substituents reduce molecular symmetry.